Alright guys, it's out with the old and with the new. Already got this speaker out. You guys saw what happened to it. Got the speakers behind the seats installed. They fit with the stock speaker grills. Got my kicker amp, my bazooka tube. Just got to take the speaker off and put all the wiring in. And I'll get the Rockfords out here. It's gonna sound good. Lucky for me, the speakers that were in previously already had the wires put in so I can connect them. So as for these, well, I don't need them at the moment. Alright, got this one in. Now it's time to do the other.